Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jara back on your screen with a new video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make the butt and hips enlargement suppository. If you've been looking for how to learn how to make this suppository, here is the video for you. Please keep on watching as I teach you how to make this suppository. Do not forget to like this video as well. Starting off with a clean bowl, of course. If not a clean bowl, we'll just be contaminating our suppositories, and we don't want that. Someone will ask, what are suppositories? What is even the suppository thing all about? Suppositories are small pieces of solid medicines that is placed in the rectum or the anus and is left to dissolve there gradually and exudes its therapeutic or medicinal purposes. And the point of administration of a suppository is the anus or the rectum. Some suppositories go to the vagina, of course, but this one we're making is a butt and hips enlargement suppository, and this goes to the rectum. So everything you see me mixing here are medicinal. They're herbal medicinal plants that can help enhance your buttocks and your hips when placed into your rectum to the suppository formulation. There are many reasons why suppositories are administered. Okay, there are various reasons, and if you train under me, you will know the reasons why suppositories are another option of administering butt and hips enlargement product. That is not to discredit or disqualify the butt and hips formula, the butt and hips cream, the butt and hips oil, and the butt and hips syrup or the scrub, but this is also another new implementation to enhance or speed up the effectiveness of all these other products. One reason why suppositories are implemented or preferred is because they have direct absorption. Suppositories do not have to go through your bloodstream, they do not have to go through the liver bypass, the first pass effect, and all of those things that can cut down on the effectiveness of the product. Suppositories are placed in the rectum. This particular suppository, the enhancement suppository, is placed in the rectum, and the rectum is the direct site of action. So it begins action immediately. It doesn't have any other interference with the blood, with the liver, with the kidney, or the digestive organs. So this is one reason why suppositories are preferred. There are other numerous reasons why suppositories are also preferred, not preferred, so I will not disqualify the other product, why it has been implemented and a good one to start using if you're looking to enhance your butt and hips. There are many reasons. The reasons are endless, but you have to register for the training to get other reasons, or to know why other reasons why suppositories have been implemented into usage for butt and hips enlargement products. At this point, I am kneading the suppository. I know some of you be like, you're just talking, you're not listing out the ingredients. I'll list out the ingredients I used to make the suppository somewhere in the video. All right, but you have to watch the video to grab where the list of ingredients will play or show. So I am kneading the suppository. I've mixed everything I need in my suppository. I need to knead this with my bare hands. Some of you will say, why are you using your bare hands? Bare hands are used for kneading, and I make sure my hands are clean. I do not want to use a latex gloves. I want to use my hand to feel the product, to be able to knead it into perfection, because you need muscles to break into these butters I use to make the suppository. After kneading, I proceed to mold the suppository. You let it sit a while after kneading, of course, and then after about an hour, you begin to mold the suppository into shapes. There are various shapes people make for the suppositories, but I prefer this shape. This shape is rounder because the rectum is of a round shape as well. So you can do the bullet shape or you can do this round shape. I always go for this round shape. It is better for me. It goes in at once. The bullet shape is longer in size, like longer in size, but I prefer this one. One push is into your rectum and end of matter. So I'm going to be molding the suppositories into these mini balls. I'm molding it in a sizable manner, one that can pass through the rectum of an adult. Please, this suppository should not be given to children. Adults above the age of 18 years can begin to use the suppository. Anything under that 18 years, I will not advise you to use this in your rectum. Okay, I don't even advise anybody under the age of 18 to use body enhancement products. So this is how you mold the suppository, and I let the suppository sit for 3 days to make sure it hardens up, because we're in the rainy season and the air is very, very moist and cold. So I had to let it sit for a couple of days to harden up. So this is what the suppository looks like. Very solid. If you are being tossed one of the suppository, you may cry because it is very hardened up now. So I'm going to proceed to package the suppository because it is hardened up. It has solidified to the point of satisfaction. Please make sure that you're working with clean utensils, clean materials, clean hands while making this suppository. As much as the suppository is not edible, it doesn't go through the mouth, it is highly important that it is still prepared under sanitary conditions, okay, to avoid infections or discomfort to the final consumer. So just be sure that you're keeping your suppository proper, you're storing it properly, you're making it under proper sanitary conditions, okay. And also bear in mind that these suppositories, there is no way around making yours. What the ingredient says you should use, that is what you should use, because some of these ingredients are very, very calculated and very, very selected so that these suppositories do not cause discomfort to the final consumers. The herbs are carefully selected because not every herb will break down in the rectum, okay. So the herbs are carefully selected to ensure that they break down in the rectum so it doesn't cause any kind of discomfort, itching, or intestinal blockages, okay. So whatever I tell you is the herb used to make the suppository, make sure you get it and use these herbs to make your suppository. I'll be showing you within the course of a video how to enhance or how to insert the suppository. I guess we are there already. So I am inserting with aloe vera gel. This is aloe vera gel. However, you can insert with coconut oil, you can insert with almond oil, you can insert with olive oil. So these are the oils you can also use to insert the suppository into your rectum. So just picture that closure in my palm as the rectum hole, as the anus, and this is how you push in the suppository into your anus. You have to lie down on your side and lift your legs up to insert the suppository into the rectum. And when you're done, just get a napkin or a paper towel to wipe the anus hole. Relax for at least 3 minutes to make sure that the suppository is well inserted into the rectum and it will not fall out. The materials or ingredients used to make the suppository break down very fast in the anus because of the temperature levels of the anus. So do not be scared. Everything is well calculated. So guys, this is the simple yet effective way I make my suppository. We have products that you can try out. There's our syrup, the oil, the cream, the formula, as well as the suppository. Please do well to reach out to us on the number you see on the screen. We sell, we train, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you share, like, and do not forget to subscribe. See you soon.